Tired of leaving your precious crypto exposed to online threats and longing for Fort Knoxville security? Let's dive right into securing your digital assets by transferring them from Binance to your Ledger Nano S Plus in under 90 seconds. First, unbox your Ledger Nano S Plus and follow the on-screen instructions in the Ledger Live app to initialize your device. Make sure to write down your two-word recovery phrase and store it in a safe place, because it's the only way to recover your funds if your device is ever lost or damaged. Next, within Ledger Live, add the specific cryptocurrency account you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you're transferring Ethereum, make sure you've also added the Ethereum app on the Ledger device itself. Now, in Ledger Live, navigate to the account you just created and click Receive. This will display your unique receiving address. Carefully verify this address on your Ledger Nano S Plus screen to ensure it matches the address shown in Ledger Live. This is crucial to prevent sending your crypto to the wrong address. Head over to your Binance account, find the withdrawal section for the cryptocurrency you're transferring, paste the verified Ledger address into the recipient address field, and double-check it again. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Before confirming the transaction on Binance, meticulously review all the details. Pay special attention to the address, amount, and the network fees. High network fees may be a sign of network congestion. Finally, confirm the transaction on Binance. Your Ledger Nano S Plus will prompt you to review and approve the transaction directly on the device. Carefully verify the details one last time, and press both buttons to confirm your crypto is now safely stored offline.